In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply installed extensions to all profiles in Cursor AI step by step so you can keep your workflow consistent across every profile without having to set things up over and over again. This is especially useful if you use multiple Cursor profiles for different projects because it saves time, keeps your tools organized, and makes sure your favorite extensions are available everywhere you need them. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Cursor AI guides like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer and make sure the app is fully loaded. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner of the window and click on View. This opens up the menu where Cursor keeps different workspace and editor options. From the View menu, click Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions panel where you can see the extensions that are already installed in Cursor AI. Now find the extension that you want to apply across all of your profiles. Click on that extension so you can open its settings and options. This is the key step because you need to select the exact extension you want to make available everywhere. Once the extension is selected, look for the gear icon in the extension settings. Click that gear icon to open the extension's configuration menu. Inside that menu, you should see an option related to profile usage. Now click Apply Extensions to all profiles. This tells Cursor AI to make that installed extension available across every profile you use, instead of keeping it limited to just one. After that, your extension should be applied to all profiles successfully. If you switch between profiles later, you should see the same extension available without needing to reinstall or configure it again manually, and that's it. A very simple way to apply installed extensions to all profiles in Cursor AI. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Cursor AI tutorials for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.